Have you ever signed up for an Islamic studies class or an Arabic program full of motivation, attended the first class, then slowly started falling behind, trying to balance it with work, family, and everything else? You're not alone. Most people don't struggle because they lack motivation. They struggle because there's no clear, manageable path that easily fits into a busy life. And that's exactly why AMAU Academy exists. So you don't have to guess what to study or feel behind every time you log in, or even worry about what to learn and whether what you're learning is actually authentic. Everything here is structured for you, clear programs, step by step. So you always know what to study, when to study, and how to keep moving forward even with a busy schedule. Whether you want to learn Arabic, memorize the Quran, study your religion properly, or just become more consistent as an everyday Muslim, you'll find a path here that suits you. And if you need more support, we also offer mentorship to help you stay on track, disciplined, and accountable. Now don't overthink it. Go to the program section and start with a path that suits you. If you're not sure, begin with semester 0 of Ilm with AMAU. And remember, this isn't about watching more videos. It's about becoming a better Muslim, one step at a time. Start small, stay consistent, and with the permission of Allah, you'll see the change.